Hey Jaguars, welcome to another week at Jefferson, where Jaguar leaders discover ways to use their ideas and hands to change the world. It's time for our weekly announcements for February 15th through February the 19th. This is a reminder that all Kingsport City School face-to-face learners will be in session 5 days a week, every week, unless there is a scheduled holiday. Our menu for the week is as follows. On Monday, chicken and waffle. Tuesday, baked ziti. Wednesday, chicken leg or thigh. Thursday, deli sub sandwich. And on Friday, Wild Mike cheese bites and sauce. Jaguars, thank you for continuing to correctly wear your mask, washing your hands often, and practicing social distancing. Please communicate with your teacher if you're not feeling well or someone in your home is under quarantine or has tested positive for COVID. Jefferson families, once again, please familiarize yourself with the FAQ for COVID-19 absences, which are posted on this slide. Here's an update from Mrs. Statham, our PE wellness teacher. Jaguars, if Mrs. Statham's calculations are correct, you raised over $10,000 for the Kids Heart Challenge. She is so incredibly proud of you. An exact amount will be announced when she receives the final count from the organization. Please be patient, as not all the prizes have arrived. She had to place an order, and it typically takes around a month to get it in, sorted, and then distribute it. So again, thank you so much, Jaguars, for using your hands to change the world and loving from your heart. Let's give a big Jaguar shout out to Ashlyn and Evan Klein for taking the lead at the Kingsport City Schools board meeting. They started the meeting off by leading the Pledge of Allegiance. Ashlyn and Evan, you make us Jaguar proud. And now it's time to celebrate our Jaguars who have a birthday this week. Celebrating a birthday on February 15th in first grade is Sophia B. On February 16th in fourth grade, Tanner D. And in third grade, Andrew S. Celebrating a birthday on February 17th in kindergarten is Ben C. Celebrating a birthday on February 18th is Nurse Laura. February 19th is Mrs. Thellew. And on February 21st in first grade, Evie L. In fourth grade, Christopher N. and Mrs. Shaver, one of our instructional assistants. Happy birthday, dear Jaguars. Happy birthday to you. And now join me for some words of wisdom. Jaguars, this week is National Random Acts of Kindness Week. As we've been discussing in Counselor Connection, everything in life has boundaries. Kindness is an inside the boundary choice. Choosing kindness helps keep our world safer, it helps facilitate peaceful living, and it allows us to experience positive relationships with each other. So Jaguars, what can you do to show kindness to others? Who around you could use some kindness or encouragement? You know, it might be people in your class, a new student at Jefferson, a staff member. What about people in your home or in your neighborhood? So Jaguars, here is your challenge for the week. Come up with some ways that you can share random acts of kindness this week at school. Maybe your family can come up with an idea together and formulate a plan to shower kindness on someone. And then the fun part, do it as a family. For you see, Jaguars, when we shower kindness on others, it changes them for the better. Happiness and joy comes to visit them. It brightens their day. But the cool thing is that it brightens your day too. I would love to hear and see some of the things you chose to do for National Random Act of Kindness Week. You could draw me a picture about it. Tell me your story. Send me an inbox email sharing your plan through your Canvas Counselor Connection classroom. Or you could send me a photo through Class Dojo, Canvas, or you could send it to my email at rmann@k12k.com. That's rman@k12k.com. Can you imagine the amazing world that we could live in if all of us would choose to stay inside the boundaries of kindness? Jaguars, let's not just imagine it, let's make it happen. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Mann, your school counselor, encouraging all of us to choose kindness and be a difference maker. Now you may join your family or your teacher for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.